time reaching out to employers when there is no advertised role at the company?
We're talking about the hidden job market, jobs that are not currently being advertised for a range of reasons, because the company doesn't know they need that particular job, they need to fill a vacancy, or the vacancy is in progress, or you may be recommended by a friend, by an alumni. Blimey, I've seen it all. I've seen a Polish graduate who created his own job in Facebook Poland, working with governments, for example. The job wasn't there. The person started to liaise with Facebook, working for them eventually, and they created a job for them. Otherwise, the job wouldn't be there. This is how some of the recruitment businesses operate in the US, for example, where some of the businesses, they will look at potential customers on LinkedIn, and they will approach businesses that are not currently advertising, and they will tell them, will you benefit from this particular candidate or that candidate? So there's nothing stopping students, graduates, alumni of universities to use this approach to make sure that they are looking for a range of companies. And if they like the companies, if they are meeting, with the ESG, with the sort of business objectives, they're passionate about working there, they see it as a future employer and they can verbalize it, and they have something to offer them, then they should definitely approach them, and who knows what's going to come out of it. There are many success stories, and many of them are incredible, So please don't be afraid to use any means possible, and do rely on your network. I know many of the students who are here, they probably studied at one of the universities in the UK or overseas. It's such a massive alumni network. You go to LinkedIn, search for a company, look at how many people work there, filter them by the university you attended, create a connection, make it relevant, ask for help. If somebody will ask for help, and if I have time, I'm going to help. Many other people will do the same. And I'm sure if you ask yourself, will I help somebody who studies at my institution in 5 years' time? Probably you will, so do appeal on that people's aspect, because people are genuinely willing to help you if you can frame it right and the time is right as well. And don't be disappointed if nothing materializes out of this in the first 2, 3, 4, 5 instances. Be persistent and you will definitely see results. You are basically creating opportunities for you. Instead of being reactive, you are being proactive. And if you think about it, the more you are out there, the more opportunities you create for yourself, the more successful you are.
We're always happy to receive them. Usually, the way we'd approach it is we'd ask if you're happy for us to keep your CV on file. And it might be that we don't have anything that's suitable right now, but if something does come up, then we'll go back through the applications that we've received and we'll do a quick search to see if anything kind of stands out. So it's definitely worth doing. And I think, Jan's absolutely right in sort of the proactivity aspects of it and kind of creating your own opportunities. I think, absolutely fine to do that.